Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. And this video, how to find out a stock which is breaking about R5 Camarilla breakout or reversal from that Camarilla R5 levels, and the stock which we are going to focus for a big movement. So that we are going to discuss in this video by using charting scanners, which I'm going to create a scanners so that will find out a huge movement stock based on the Camarilla pivot level that we are going to discuss in this video. And don't skip the video, and I'm going to show you how to create the Camarilla pivot scanner with R5 or H5 breakout or a reversal. In both should be in the same scanner. I can how to create that. In this video I'm going to discuss it. Let me move on to the video now. So if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. So already we have created on our charting a lot of scanners, but in our normal trading view, that is what a broker trading view terminal, so we can't get that particular R5 levels. Okay, so we can't get that R5 levels, but we easily create a charting scanner that will find out a stock which is given you the R5 breakout, but or we can create in dashboard also. But watching the sheet, what should be the level for that particular R5? Okay, so that we can easily filter out, and I'm just going to create the scanner along with some dashboards by using R5 levels in not R4. So look at this, the charts where we find out here I'm using only H3, H4 and S3, S4, and this is what the black line is, S5, and here is a H5. So maybe it is H or R resistance 5 or H5. In Camarilla we are mentioned as a H5. So what I'm going to talk about when the stock is going to given you the breakout above the level, so that I just focusing on, I'm going to find out the stock which is going to break that H5 levels, and how that stock is going to give you such a bigger opportunity. And once that breakout which is happening, that should be a huge move, something happening on the stock, and we can easily find out that stock by using a scanners, which simply going to create with the charting basis. Okay, so let me move on this video, and whatever the important factor, H5 and the S5. So in this case I'm going to make a H5 video, and next video we can make a S5 breakout or reversal. Both should be we can discuss in this video. Okay, so let me start with the charting scanners. I have already created that custom indicator that is not available on charting, so you can manually create that indicator. Once you create it, you can apply any of that customized strategy after creating that indicator. So now I'm just going to make simply opening a stock in F&O segment. If I want to take a futures, it may be a very limited number of stock, up to 190 to maximum 200. But if I'm going to take an equity, that is around 4,000 stocks, but and also low liquid stocks also, better to filter is futures. Just I am just adding the latest close maybe, and just simply finding out what are the stocks which is greater than the H5 today, Camarilla resistant 5 or H5. So 1 day ago. So because of this calculation, someone was asking about why you are using a 1 day ago. If you are using today, that is what a tomorrow's level, Camarilla level, which is going to be updated for tomorrow's level. Because this calculation based on the previous day open ILO close, we are going to get the next day Camarilla level. So there is a CPR, it's possible to plot a next day levels. Same like that Camarilla also we can easily plot, but in the charts it's not possible. I tried it, and I have also requested anyone who know about that. So for tomorrow's Camarilla level, so you can message me, no problem, and you can directly WhatsApp me also. And if you have known that how to plot the tomorrow's Camarilla. So here simply I just using this line, the latest close must be greater than 1 day ago Camarilla R5, that is mean H5. So look at this, how many stocks today? So almost 32 stocks, which is more than that Camarilla higher level. So a lot of stocks, even Nifty also, VDL, NTPC. So lot of stocks. From this today maximum performer, I think MCX. This month MCX which started negative, and I think now it is MCX in NSE. Have you got it? In a 15 minutes time frame, it given you the breakout around 12:30. After that H5 breakout, there we got a H5 is around 1557, that is what a breakout. After that it went up to 1660, almost 100 point. It's a quick move. So maybe here the stock which given you such a bigger opportunity today, and we missed out that initially in this month beginning it was started with a gap lower. After that gap lower it never moves down, it was started moving higher based on this H5. So yesterday also it touched that H5 level, it given you the resistance level. Yesterday you look at this, yesterday it reaches the R5 level or H5 level, and today it given you such a big breakout and it was a big move. And some stock M&M, Hindustan Copper, Sun TV, lot of stocks. M&M, Indra and Mahindra. So that has also given you such a big breakout. So that one is reaching a huge move. At this point, the breakout is 1496. After that, 1549. Such a big move. You can look at this, the movement which is happening in Hindustan Copper and Sun TV and HPC and RF Pharma. Let me randomly check Sun TV. So where we have created the scanner, the one line which find out the stock Sun TV is happening this particular time. That is also be good. It was started in this R3 and R3 and S3 in between, and after that it was moving towards the top. And after this breakout from 4 and 450, 63, such a big move, and also looks like a inside CPR and trending day. That is also happening on the Sun TV. In the RF Pharma, Apollo Hospital, Laura's Lab. Someone were asking about Laura's Lab. There it is, Laura's Lab. It's about a future contract. Today it's given you the breakout over and about this point. And you shall keep on moving down and we find that. Okay. So the scanner will helping you to find the breakout stocks. That is what the stock which is greater than the Camarilla R5. So how did I find out a reversal? Maybe this one will help you. Latest close must be greater than one day ago Camarilla R5. So that will help us to the stock which is going to be greater than. So here I'm just going to make some 5 minutes. That 5 minutes, sorry, 5 minutes. Uh, high open must be greater than. Uh, Open must be greater than one day ago Camarilla R5. And the same time I will use the 5 minutes close must be less than the highest level trend reversal. Okay, Camarilla R5. So if you find, so look at this Laura's Lab and Container Corporation. So let me see the scan as a test one. And how many stocks? Maybe you have seen the breakout stocks around 235. This is happening around 110. So lot of stock which is today it reaches more than 6th of July, around 11:35. So here 10 a.m. maybe at this point. So today's low, many stocks, and this is what a beginning. And just use your 5 minutes, no? So that is why it is showing you a lot of stuff. Maybe IOC today, what is happening on IOC? What are the conditions which we are given? The latest open greater than one day ago Camarilla Y in 5 minutes close less than. So when did we got exactly around 9:30 on 5 minutes time frame? Here we are seeing a 15 minutes time frame. What I'm expecting? Yeah, at this candle 9:30. So here it's closed below the level. So but instead of 5 minutes, so we have a lot of stocks. Just simply go for a 15 minutes. Whatever the time frame we want, we can change the number of time frame and let we run the scan. So we can get a very minimum number of stocks on 15 minutes basis. This should be happen around 11:30, previously 10:15. So Z and Nestle India. So let me go to check Z entertainment. And we need to use some more important. So here is about Z entertainment. So around R5 level, some rejection. Okay, 187 around 10-15 something here it is happening, and after that some rejection, and then again it's closed above the level, and now and closing hours it given you such a big move from 187 to 193, maybe some big move, but R4 is given you the breakout, immediately it went up to some higher one, maybe R4 as my stop loss. For example, in the case the reversal also I'm tracking reversal, I don't know about the stop loss, but this is what the condition we can find out the reversal. In the same time we can go for a breakout also. Here simply the condition which you can make the open is less than and greater than. So here I'm just focusing the stock for breakout in lot of stocks. Around 9:15 itself some stocks like Tata Power today. So I am also tracking the Tata Power today for my trade opportunities, but we was not tried. But 9:15 itself it was opening near about R5. And after that R5 it went up to 208 points. So this much of stocks, only the top stocks which we can focus in Power Grid IOC. Even we can look at that IOC today. That was a perfect stock. Power Grid. Overgrade that is also opening and in the past 15 minutes, and then it never came back to R4. At least we need to give some stop losses for that trade, but most of the trade once it is break that R4, such a good move or a big move that can be possible, and that is what happening some stocks which is given you some better opportunity. So in a live market, how do we find out? By the dashboard. Okay, so how we can easily find out with the dashboard? That's also be possible using the dashboard. We can simply find out. Now we have two conditions which we have seen today is about the stock which is open above H4, sorry H5 uh, greater than the stock. First condition. The second condition which you have created is it's open above reversal, H5 reversal. Maybe like this. This is can be a reversal. Maybe a small stop loss we can use it, and this is can be a reversal. This time it was triggered, and this should be a breakout. So something like that we used for reversal and the breakout by using HY breakout and HY reversal by using a Camarilla Pivot Point Scanner. That is the scanner which is helping you to find out and better trade opportunities. And this way we can easily find out the Camarilla stocks and Camarilla scanners. Maybe some many stocks we got it, and you can backtest. And Nestle, Havels, yeah, I think here at this point 1309, 1307, and immediately it moves to the top 132. But while we are focusing a trade at Camarilla R5, it should be a high risky trade where we are buying at higher. But this stocks may be helping you to for option scalping. So the quick scalping trades that we can simply use for options. Okay, so already we created. Okay, so how I'm going to find out the stocks which is going to give you the better trade opportunity, and that should be greater than the R Camarilla R5. Okay, simply I can create. Okay, dashboard, and I go to Atlas and create a dashboard, and maybe a test dashboard, and save it. We can go for creating some real-time auto or premiums, and not on premium right now. So we can add script, and I can go from scratch, and I'm just going to create the close. Okay, instead of that, filters in for stocks, futures, it is close greater than Camarilla or 1 day ago. Column should be, so let us open, let us close, let's close. So TB. I'm just adding that one. So what are the stocks it is showing you based on LTP, right? So we are just checking the stock based on the LTP. So we have to check the stock. So let me add it. Here we cannot compare this. Will stock startup over ABF or NTPC? Check this. It will showing you all the stocks. I'm just trying it out or creating the dashboard. I think Nifty, Apollo, Reliance. How many stocks today? Only fewer stocks. Yeah, this much of stocks, no? So by our scanners, how many stocks we filtered out? Starting scanner simply going to create a scan. And cash, you found the stocks. So that one is not right. Something like, so the close must be greater than Camarilla R5. So one day ago, trend scan, how many scan which is stuck at 32 stocks? Here we can see only 32, I think. 2, 4, 6, 8 up to Tata power 10. 20, 24, 28, 20. Yeah, exactly up to that much of stocks only shown here. So let me add here. Simply we are going to change based on net change. Okay. Okay, one more conditions. Change percentage if you are mentioning or LTP we have mentioned, and we can add a R5 level also. Simply we can add a R5 level. So Camarilla R5 level as H5, simply to understand that H5 level, about to H5 level. So see, submit. Now you can see the H5 level is 25,000, 24,513. Now LTP is 23. How about India will be there? I think some issues. Yeah, about India will be also be there. What is the H5 level? I think it is about H5 level for tomorrow. Okay, so that is a mistake. So simply we can change that latest not one day ago. So if you run this, and they will be getting the exact level. So let me go for about India 23,556, and you can check that about India. What is the level? R5 is 23,557.65. Exactly that level we are mentioning here. 23,556.67. 65 is that. So exact level which we have got it. And now we can find out, and also we can add some more conditions. The stock which is increased based on percentage. Okay, so that percentage is nothing about comparing to the previous day close. That simply we can add a percentage. Okay, so that we will add by using how many percentage, change percentage, and that we can use for it. Simply that percentage how we can add it here. So in this dashboard, I can go to that. So simply we can add the close price, latest close minus close from one day ago. I'm just adding a percentage here. That should be divided by one day close into number 100. close multiplied by number 100. I'm just adding the percentage. Okay, that is called as a percentage or percentage change, whatever change. It's a change, percentage change. Here I'm just simply creating that code, and this one we can add it and close after that. So we can use it, and after that Camarilla level. So yeah, that will help us run and save. Yeah, you can see the stock, the current LTP of the stocks, and how many percentage which is increased. And after increasing that percentage, what is the H5 level? Okay, simply we can focus, or we can remove this and how many percentage first of all changed in the stock, that we can go to the top and run and save it. Now you will be getting clear dashboard about the Camarilla R5 levels. Okay, so and now you can sort the stock, edit filters, and group or sort by percentage, change percentage. So submit now, top stocks will be there. So you can focus top stocks, which is going to be give you such an opportunity. Instead of watching that particular in trading view charts, we simply follow with this scanner that will help us to make such better opportunity. The what are the list of stocks where here you can see, and look at this multi commodities, M&M in the copper Sun TV, the same one MCX M&M in the copper Sun TV. So what the scanner is, here we are just finding on the dashboard. So by using Camarilla Pivot scanners, that may be helping. So we cannot lock it. So that will be available. So make use of it, and this is what the scanner simply we are going to use for, and even edit the layout. So you can minimize that, and also we can simply add for put side. That means not a put side means I'm talking about the downside stocks also. So we can add Camarilla apply. So here if you're watching the stocks having a good opportunity for option trades, and the top stocks only we can focus in. Don't want to focus all the stocks in the list. So just focus here. Axis Bank also be there in the list. Just for an example, how that was working. Axis Bank simply here, and R5 that is happening at closing hours 980 and it reaches to 986. And I hope you understand about the concept of this particular scanner. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, hit your like button and share to your friends. And if you have any questions, just comment in the comment box below. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and keep supporting and subscribing the channel.